Kim Anderson, our grain marketing specialist, joins us now. And Kim, we're well into the hard red winter wheat harvest. Prices have broken resistance and continue to decline. Why the drop, in your opinion?
Well, you know, we had that rally of over $1 the last couple of weeks, and what we had, the index funds, they were record short on the wheat contracts over that week, a little over a week time period. They bought over 57,000 contracts, almost 300 million bushels of wheat. So we got a big rally strictly based on short coverage, not based on changes in supply and demand. Then we've got things going on like the harvest pressures. The wheat moves north. Our yields are coming good, slightly less than what was anticipated at the crop tours, but relatively good yields, good quality wheat. We got the problems in the European Union, the euro. Because of those problems, the value of our dollar's going up. It's making our wheat more expensive. You got corn prices falling about 90 cents. All of those things are weighing heavy with harvest pressure on the wheat for lower prices.
And what kind of things are you keeping an eye on relative to prices then?
Well, I'm watching the Kansas City Board of Trade July contract for current prices. It's fell off about 45 cents. I will say our basis is in some locations have increased a nickel to a dime, so offset that a little bit. I'm watching on that July contract, $6.60. We got support there. If we break that, then our next target is about $6.30. I think we got real good support at $6.10. So I'm watching those levels as it goes down. Of course, it's got to go back up to about $7.10 to resume the uptrend. If you're watching the December contract for stored wheat, that supports at $7, $6.70, and $6.50.
And what do you expect prices to do now as we kind of get into the big part of harvest?
Well, our best guess is that we're going to move sideways, maybe slightly lower as that harvest moves on up into Kansas, but sideways, lower to sideways for the next couple weeks. I think after we clear the harvest, then we'll probably get some rallies out into the December time period.
Okay, and finally, Oklahoma producers, should they sell? Should they hang on to it? Your advice?
I think they should be selling some at harvest. We've had some rain in Australia, which is going to improve that crop. We've got some rains in other key areas. So I think there's some potential for wheat prices to move sideways throughout the fall. So I'd sell a third now, a third September, October, and the final third in December, November, December time periods.
Okay, Kim Anderson, thanks a lot. We'll see you next week.